Unang-ilam ke Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya ubak kenet syadap mentagasi ulapan pau ya ke jingsangu ya ke Sarkar Jela lingba ke tenat puli putih buat menteri bakmi ya ke tenat umala kemen rembui ringkat ya menteri rambak ke Jela ukan rat kisama bakala sengap ya ke jingud bagi jinggerpat ke hingkai lingba ke kerwa balap ha haga arp kenai tarik benai April arjar arpau syaga Directorate of School Education Literacy Meghalaya lingba director buat deputy director halor ke jing ke hingkai khamtam ke hingkai ad hoc banyo ya ketulop hakum keningapor bakari bagi Jela kai kenduk jinge namar ke jingkhang shnong kebana kalian ke department kelas simkya ban skap ya ke jinge jengki ban pha ya ke sithi jing betip lingba ka mil ne fax syaki SD SEO ba pher bat lingba jengki syaki school managing committee bat ya ketulop lala ban pendrung baik jaga account simet jengki nai kai hagabe kalian lapan paru ya ke jingsango baga sarkar kamsim lakhati ni ot sipor ya ketulop kinai kai ad hoc namar kat kum gajing sango jungu kenai kai ad hoc ke hap haga kategori D bat katulap karet bha banyan nujor bat kibai bat ka eru yaki ban pendap ya ke yang gesem lada syot sipor hakba nakaliang ka department kala pentip lingba ka kerwo baya katulap kenai kai ad hoc amsim la ot ne khati satya ula pentip ru sya kenai kai baro baya katulap lada ban pelat hadu benai me arajar arpho
kabanung kong na kuwa ban ai ka jingsongo ka bakraw ya Education Minister Usri Lakman Rembui Honorable Education Minister Government of Meghalaya Shillong kunju hiru mo ya Chief Minister Badan Burong ti kabanung kong na kuwa ban kumunong yalam jongki nong hikai barokot haka state barokaway haka kerten jongka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya kabakentup lang yaki ad hoc categories barok nado LP, UP, secondary and higher secondary hakat state Meghalaya barok away nakwa ban penpau kajing songo ka bakraw yau Shri Lakman Rembui Honorable Education Minister Government of Meghalaya Shillong nangta hakaju kapor yau Director of School Education and Literacy Government of Meghalaya Pumjuru Yau Deputy Director of School Education and Literacy Government of Meghalaya kabanung kong kalong hakajing yaday bat kitulop jong kinong hikay bunsin kitulop jong kinong hikay kisyam jing ba kamtam hakani ka lockdown mo kumno ba kini ki SD SEO na ki district ki bopher bakin wan sa Shillong banlum ya kita ki tulop ki sanctioning orders ki ba naka office jong director ki lapan kre te ki siyam stamba te banlum ya kini ki tulop te nakaliang jong kumbu nong yalam jong ki nong hikay haka state barokaway ngalatho ba mo kani haka arp kundai tarik ubanay basaw usnem arajar arpaw ngalatho yung minister subject salary problem faced by the teachers during the lockdown period, especially the ad hoc categories in the whole state of Meghalaya. Respected Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I Shri Kenneth Chadam, State Level President of FASTOM, Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, which include all ad hocs, LP, UP, secondary and higher secondary in the whole state of Meghalaya. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the Education Department, especially the Director and Deputy Director of School Education and Literacy, for their speedy actions in connection with teacher salaries, in which the sanctioning orders is already completed till the quarter ending May 2020. However, the said completed sanctioning orders remain at Shillong headquarters due to the lockdown. As per the verbal information with the Deputy Director on the 15 and 17 April 2020, I therefore humbly request your kind honor to kindly instruct the department concerned to kindly send the same by email or by fax to all the respective SDSEO and SDSEO to the account of all the school managing committees, and that school managing committees direct to the personal account of the teachers. Tehani ngala airu Copy to the Director of School Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya Shillong for kind information and necessary action. Yakani kasithi ngalapha ka arpundai tering ubnai April arhajar arpau ubnai basau. Ting apenpau kajing songu ke bakrau. Bahaka santarik ubnai me arhajar arpau lapha yakani ka jubab mo from Sri L.S. Lindo, Deputy Director of School Education and Literacy, Meghalaya Shillong, to Mr. Kenneth Chadap, State Level President, Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Headquarter Malki Shillong 793001. Subject: salary problem faced by the teachers during the lockdown period, especially the ad hoc categories in the whole state of Meghalaya. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above and letter under reference, I am directed to inform that the soft copies of the concerned sanctions order have already been emailed to all sub-divisional school education officers. It may be mentioned that sub-divisional school education officer of Shillong and Soara have already collected hard copies as well. This is for favor of your information. Kakani kadeka sithi kaba nilayo kajubab naka Education Minister. I want to express on behalf of all the ad hoc categories in the whole state of Meghalaya, express my gratitude to the Honorable Education Minister and also to the Director and Deputy Director of School Education and Literacy, Meghalaya Shillong. And another problem faced by the teachers in connection with deferment of salaries, in which there was no clear clarification or notification in connection with the deferment of salaries. As per the previous notification, it was only mentioned that all the government aided schools will fall under the deferment of salaries. So there was a great confusion among all the ad hoc teachers in the whole state of Meghalaya. There was also a confusion with the SDSEO of the different districts and the Treasury Office of the different districts. There was a great confusion. So after I got that information, so I have sent this letter on the 6th, 5th, 2020. I have written to the Education Minister a request for a proper clarification about the deferment of salaries in connection with ad hoc categories only, as there is a great confusion among the teachers. Respected Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I, Shri Kenneth Chadap, State Level President of FASTOM, Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, which include all ad hocs, LP, UP, secondary and higher secondary in the whole state of Meghalaya, humbly request you to kindly give a clear clarification over the deferment of salaries in connection with ad hoc categories only. As per my understanding, the ad hoc categories fall under Group D, as their income is below the 4th grade employees and also the pensioners. Their salaries are mentioned below: lower primary 12,000 per month fixed, upper primary 16,000 per month fixed, secondary 20,000 per month fixed, higher secondary 24,000 fixed. The low paid teachers, especially the LP and UP categories, are facing financial crisis to maintain their families. I will ever remain grateful to you for your kind sympathetic consideration and necessary action in this regard as earlier as possible. I have also sent copy to the Director of School Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya Shillong, for kind information and necessary action. In this connection also, I am very grateful to the Education Minister and the Director and Deputy Director of School Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya Shillong, as they have given through my WhatsApp a proper clarification that there is no deferment of salaries in connection with the ad hoc. So mentalong kala syai bahata ba ki ad hoc kim hab syu akan ka deferment of salaries te kata kamot kinyo abek ya ka tulop ke bapura kumba ki judai ban yo namar ba kini ki ad hoc ki yo tang kata ka fixed salary na kaliang education minister kila syashkor kumta kila ai ka jing pensyai sundan wat ka kot kuboru menin kalami how so long times ba la ai the director kumju la pa ru yang ka WhatsApp ba kanum don syu kata ka deferment tang na bentaki ad hoc categories kumbang ala ai kan ye ka cingkerpat haka ndriu tarik ubnai basang ar hajar arpau. I express my gratitude to the Honorable Education Minister and also to the whole education department as a whole. Ki halor kani ni penpau ke jing sungu ke bakrau mon namar ba ka sarkar kala yarap ru ba kinong hikai kinyo ya katulop kan poisuk syaki district jongki syaki SDSEO jongki kan poisuk tang da ka bapha lamba ki email lamba ki fax ndrei kita ki hard copy spat ki staff jongki SDSEO kila bansa wan lumpat hakan kono kapor baki like ban wan lum takan ye kala long ka suk ka bakrau ba yaki nong hikai ad hoc ba kim dadan kam syu ban khuslai ban hap mare sharum hap mare sanang rei katulop ngila kerpat ru bakan poi bet haki account jong ki managing committee na ki account jong ki managing committee pa ki account jong ki nong hikai personal account jong ki nong hikai te kani na pen pau ka jing songu ka bakrau ba education minister rangkat baka education department barok kawai kila le ya ka ba bahatam ya ka ba pensuk tam ya kinong hikai ad hoc barok khoi ka state barok kawai nga syukwa ban penpau ro hang ne pai ka tulop jong barok khoi ki categories ladap sanction hadu ka bakut jong benai me ar hajar arpau that the sanctioning order for the salaries of all categories has already been sanctioned till the quarter ending May, the month of May 2020.